Scan this. Sophie is here. Let's level up. Calculus problems involving areas between curves are actually quite simple once you master these 3 quick steps to set up your definite integral correctly every time. First, observe the region R carefully. It spans vertically from y equals -1 to y equals +1. These are our limits of integration for this specific math problem. For area between curves in terms of y, we subtract the left boundary from the right boundary. Here, g of y is on the right and f of y is left. Finally, combine the limits and the integrand into a definite integral. This matches the structure of option B perfectly. You got this. Let us move on to the finish. Nailed it! Whew! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sophie. Avoid swapping limits or wrong order. Always use right minus left and check yeah bounds.